Hey folks, thanks for stopping into Dark Hollow today. So today we've got some errands we got to run, and we haven't done a video in a while. We've been busy working the old day job. So I thought maybe today I'd see if I could get the camera set up in the old 66 Pontiac Tempest and take you along with me on my errands. So let's jump in and go for a ride. Come on. Let it warm up a little bit. Got some condensation coming out there. Let's see if we can get her up to temp a little bit. We'll get on out of here. Hang on. Here we go. Looks like your windshield needs a little cleaning too. Go left here. Get some go juice. Alright, I'm going to throw some gas in her, and then we'll get on up out of here. Alright, let's go. All gassed up. First thing I got to do is go to the bank, deposit some checks that I got from last Friday for working in the Dark Hollow shop. But Friday was Veterans Day, and thank you for your service, veterans. But the banks were closed, so I couldn't deposit, so I guess I'll do that today. One of my errands. Things we got to do today. Right now we're running out old highway here, East Tennessee, just outside Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Watching YouTube the other day and come across this guy, real popular YouTuber, also part of another TV show, and he was opening his mail on camera, and I don't know, there was something about that I thought was real personable, very cool, very cool. Alright, here we go. Let's park her. Lock her up. Get ready to roll. Now I got to stop by the tag office. We'll be coming into the historic downtown area. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it looks like railroad tracks up in here. They were redoing the roads here. This strip right here. When they got down deep enough, they found the original railroad tracks that came through here. So when they redid the roads, they put the railroad tracks kind of back in to commemorate those old days. Alright, that's done. Just want to give a shout out to the YouTubers that do this full time. Record everything they do. Have a lot of subscribers. I just want to say that I appreciate your videos. I enjoy watching them. We'll get this errand done. I love seeing it just sitting in the parking lot waiting for me to get back. So now we got to roll into Pigeon Forge. So back when I was building this, I bought it in 2019. A couple days after Thanksgiving, and it was in pieces. Needed all kinds of work. And if you find me on Instagram, it's still Skip's Dark Hollow Garage. There's photos of it from back then. Building it, going through it. Redoing everything right in my little garage. And in one of those Pontiac groups that I'm a member of, there's a really nice lady. Her name's Michelle. She got a blue 67. Well, I was building this, and man, I couldn't wait to drive it. Couldn't wait to be out doing my own errands in my car. She was posting about the errands that she would run with her 67 Le Mans. She calls Mr. Blue. Got to give a shout out to Mr. Blue, because I tell you what, all those days of working in the garage, trying to get this thing built, watching her errands that she would run and the things she did with the car, places she went with the car. I tell you, that gave me a lot of incentive to keep going, to really keep thrashing and trying to get it done so that I can enjoy being out, my wife and I, with the car, doing errands, and having fun driving an old car that still has the old 389. Now, of course, I refreshed the motor, but she's sweet to drive, fun to drive. It just makes your day so much nicer when you get out in an old car. I don't know what it is. You tell me, what is it? What is it about an old car? Just what is it about that old car? Is it the memories? Or is it the body style, or the style of the dash, or what is it that makes you just enjoy so much driving in an old car? There's a YouTuber I've been watching, recently moved. I think it was from the Midwest. He's over in East Tennessee. Got a great channel, fun to watch. Fun personality in his jokes. What he calls stuff, what he calls the parts. I hope he's enjoying Tennessee. It's a beautiful state. I appreciate his videos too. Alright, we're coming in spur. There's a river to our left, just past those trees. This is the road leaving Pigeon Forge going into Gatlinburg. Cruising in the old 66 Pontiac. Another thing about old cars that when it brings back up memories back in the day, helps you to remember people too from way back then that over the years you forget about. A long time ago, but you still have the memories of having fun. The cars they had, the good times that were had. Funny how an old car can bring back all kinds of different memories. There's a lot of little stops on the sides here where you can pull over and go down to the river. Coming back out of here after I'm done with my errand, we'll go through a tunnel. That's a question I got for everybody. If you're still with me watching this, you're not bored to death yet. When you go through a tunnel, why do people blow the horn? Seems like everybody loves to blow the horn in a tunnel. I never understood that. Is there a reason for that? Is it just to hear the echo? I don't know. That was the last errand. Now we're headed back away from Gatlinburg, back into Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Oh, here's the tunnel. See if anybody blows their horn. Heard one when we first got in. There they go. People always blow their horn in a tunnel. I don't know why. Almost home. We're going to take this little back road here. Got some hills and curves. What I like about it is there's no stoplights. Well, I see somebody's chimney. Got smoke coming out of it. It is pretty chilly today, though. It's starting to warm up. Love my old 66. Such a sweet ride. This A-body ride's so nice. Trying to get you set up for like a passenger seat view here. Alright, final stretch. Alright folks, we're back. Thank you for riding along with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Probably boring maybe? I don't know. Wasn't boring for me. You know, it's so hard to get a hold of a classic car these days for the average guy. You know? Thank you for coming on the ride with me on my errands today. I appreciate you. Catch you later.